Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to add the bubble font shadow to your design in Canva. So this tutorial will show you the keyword if you want to find this cool text that you can use to your design. So first, you just need to open your canvas, then click on the plus icon and add two elements. Then on the search column, type in this keyword, bubble font shadow, and just click on enter. So here you'll find there are lots of bubble font shadow that you can use, but this is a pro. So this is if you want to use this, you need to be on the Canva Pro. So just click on the letter that you want to use and add it to your designs like this. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also click on a thanks button below. Bye bye.